How to make a Scorpio man fall in love with you. Scorpio men are often seen as intense, private, and deeply emotional. Ruled by Pluto, the planet of transformation, they are drawn to people who are real, loyal, and passionate. Winning the heart of a Scorpio man takes more than surface charm. It requires depth, patience, and honesty. Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. If you want a lasting connection with him, these 10 tips can help you build something truly meaningful. 1. Be emotionally honest. Scorpio men dislike lies or half-truths. If you're open about your feelings and intentions, he'll respect you. Be sincere, even when it's difficult. 2. Keep a bit of mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Let him discover you slowly. A little mystery keeps him curious and engaged. 3. Stay loyal and trustworthy. Loyalty is everything to a Scorpio. Once you earn his trust, he'll be fiercely devoted. But if you break it, regaining it will be nearly impossible. 4. Share deep conversations. He enjoys meaningful talks about life, fears, dreams, and emotions. Avoid shallow small talk, go deep. 5. Be strong and independent. A Scorpio man is drawn to people who know who they are. Confidence and independence make you more attractive to him. 6. Respect his privacy. Scorpios are naturally private. Don't push him to open up too quickly. Give him space, and he'll share more when he's ready. 7. Stimulate his mind. Talk about interesting topics, science, philosophy, mystery, or anything thought-provoking. He loves to think and analyze. 8. Handle emotions with maturity. He feels everything deeply and expects the same from his partner. Stay calm in emotional situations and avoid drama. 9. Show physical affection thoughtfully. Scorpio men are passionate. Be affectionate, but make sure it's genuine and based on emotional connection, not just attraction. 10. Grow together. He seeks a partner who wants to evolve. Share your goals, work on yourself, and grow side by side. Falling in love with a Scorpio man is about connection on every level, emotional, mental, and physical. Be real, stay loyal, and give the relationship time to deepen. If he sees your true self and feels safe with you, he'll commit with his whole heart. Do you want to keep your man's eyes on you and only you? Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.